This semester, Macy's is asking you to develop a strategy to increase Generation Z's engagement and purchase activity within their stores through the use of their mobile app. To do this, you will need to find research to support your strategy and implementation plan. This video will help you identify the types of information you'll need and show you library resources that will help you find that information. All of the databases used in the video are linked on your class research guide, found via the Research Help tab in your Canvas course site. Your research will require several steps. Let's get started. It is helpful to approach the research with the following questions in mind. What is Macy's already doing on its mobile app? How are Macy's competitors and others in the retail industry using mobile apps? And what are wider trends in the industry that might affect the use of mobile apps? What are shopping preferences and behaviors of Generation Z that can be leveraged using Macy's app? Approaching your research in this way will help you discover unmet needs or missed opportunities that will inspire a winning case solution. First, let's learn all about Macy's. Download and explore Macy's app. Discover what features Macy's app already includes so that you can avoid duplication. Keep your own experience in mind throughout your research. You'll also want to explore every corner of Macy's retail site. This will help you understand what merchandise and services Macy's is currently offering. Keep in mind, the app and website are also marketing tools. As you navigate them, evaluate how they might be perceived by Gen Z consumers. Looking beyond Macy's website and app, it is important to get a view of the company from outside analysts. MarketLine Advantage provides a profile that highlights Macy's recent history, as well as a SWOT analysis that discusses the company's performance in the wider context of the industry. For more insights into the department store industry, you can explore IBIS World's report on department stores in the U.S., which provides details on market product segments and demand drivers, along with a lot of other useful information. Be sure to compare the industry report found in IBIS World with the one found in Merchant Intellect. To locate the report, navigate to Merchant Intellect homepage. Select First Research Reports and enter your IU email address. In the search box, type Department Stores. Industry reports are valuable not only for analyst insights, but to provide ideas for more information sources. For example, this first research report links to several major industry organizations that provide current trends. Moving beyond industry reports, you can also discover trends in the industry by searching for articles. You can search a wide variety of business publications in both Business Source Complete and ABI Inform. Sources for news and popular press like Nexus Uni can also be useful. Let's look at Business Source Complete as an example. You can try a broad search like retail and shop or purchase, and mobile, which nets a lot of articles. Or make the search more specific to your target demographic by adding Generation Z. Be sure to focus your results using the filters on the left to eliminate older articles, for example, or to focus on specific types of publications. See your research guide for more useful search phrases. Remember that it is critical to look past the first page of search results. Articles like these are useful, but do not always appear on the first page of search results. Another important part of your research strategy is to consider the shopping preferences of the Gen Z consumer. A good place to begin is with Mintel, a market research firm that identifies and explains consumer behavior and attitudes across demographics and retail categories. You might start by searching for reports such as omnichannel retailing and digital advertising to see how consumers respond to various kinds of mobile or immersive marketing. An invaluable Mintel report for this case is Marketing to Gen Z. Let's take a closer look at this report. See the subsections under each tab for report content to discover what's working, what's struggling, and what's next. You can download Mintel's data under the Data tab. The Data Book is an Excel workbook that contains all of the survey data for the product category. In the By Demographics tab, you can look to see how various groups of Gen Z consumers responded to each question on the survey. For more consumer data, be sure to investigate Statista. This user-friendly library resource has many valuable statistics related to mobile apps and Gen Z trends. For a more in-depth look, try creating a quick report or cross-tab report in Simmons Insights. This powerful tool includes consumer survey data about the habits of Macy's shoppers specifically, as well as those of the competitors. Return to the literature databases to discover articles about Gen Z shoppers. Try phrases such as Generation Z and marketing or advertising to find articles that will help you discover how to drive Gen Z consumers to shop at Macy's. As you broaden your understanding of Macy's services and products, broader industry trends, and Gen Z shoppers using library resources, you might have more questions that require deeper research. When you have research questions, there are several ways to get help, all available from your research guide. You can ask us questions via our email or visit our reference desk located in SPIA 150. Here we have the reference chat, where you can get help in real time, most days from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. You can also schedule a research consultation here for more in-depth questions. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your case.